Welcome to our channel. Setek Wi-Fi Extender password not connecting to laptop, solved. Check power, make sure the extender is plugged in properly and the power light is on. Verify Wi-Fi signal, look at the extender's LED indicators. If the signal light is off or red, it's not connected to the router. Restart the extender, unplug it, wait 10 seconds, and plug it back in to refresh the connection. Restart your laptop, sometimes the laptop itself is the issue. Restart it and try again. Forget the network, on your laptop's Wi-Fi settings, forget the extender's network and reconnect by entering the password fresh. Use the default password, check the label on the extender. If you didn't change it, that's the one you need to enter. Move the extender closer, place the extender halfway between your router and laptop so the signal is stable. Update laptop drivers, on your laptop, check for Wi-Fi driver updates, they can cause connection failures if outdated. Try a different browser, if you're logging in through the setup page, switch to another browser to rule out cache issues. Reset the extender, if nothing works, press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds until the lights blink. Reconfigure setup, after reset, connect your laptop to the extender's default Wi-Fi, go to 192.168.10.1 in a browser, and run the setup again. Test connection, once configured, reconnect your laptop to the extender's Wi-Fi and make sure you can browse the internet without drops. And that's it, you've solved the problem and your Setek SuperBoost Wi-Fi extender should now connect smoothly to your laptop. Thank you for watching.